This little dude decided to jump in and help with the oil change. Lizard.
Hey everyone, this is not going to be a super in-depth install video, more sort of just a time lapse to keep you updated on the build progress. With the holidays in our face, I don't really have time or funds to keep throwing parts at the car, but after the new year there will be some new toys for it. In the meantime, if you're into gaming, we will have some game content coming out in the near future, so keep an eye out for that. Today we tossed on the Group N transmission mount sent over from Import Image Racing. Install is super straightforward, a few 14mm nuts and bolts as well as two 17mm bolts. Definitely be careful with the subframe as it is sharp, and I definitely learned the hard way on that one. After install, much like the parent pitch stop, this will stiffen up the transmission and reduce that clunkiness the stock transmission mount has in it because of all the leeway and the really soft bushing. I didn't notice any more NVH with this upgrade, so if that's a concern for you, it should not be an issue at all. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe to follow the build.